റോഡിന് താഴെ വെച്ച് ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു.
Okay, company is Pune, first run on 23, last run will be 30, 11, 24, 0101, run schedule, copy text as a reference, insurance 2000, 80. 01, enter, say R, AED, okay, AED, enter. Following 2080 prospect center. 15,001. Insurance 2080. Two zero one 101 is stored in Pune. Okay. Next is periodic processing, recurring entries, execute. Company code Pune 2023 SA. Settlement period 01 2023. 30/11 2004. The documents following with this range will be picked up. 2080 insurance. Execute. Okay, session 2080 was created. We'll create another one, 01 11/2023 and 31st of 10/2024. Execute. Now let's go to system on jobs. System job overview. Execute. SM35. Okay, 2080 ensure is ready. Process foreground, expert mode, process. Now this will run it in the foreground on your display. Okay, 101/2024, document number is this, insurance, and 30201, press enter. It will copy the text, everything. 2080, okay, enter. 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 Processing is complete. Okay. Now this one, process. Process. Now this is recurring insurance. Document header text. Enter. 800. Okay, this is 800. Enter. Enter. Okay. So we are done with recurring. Now we can go to FP03, not a batch input, exit. To batch input is completed. Okay. So we go to FB03, document list, execute, enter. So let's check this one. 2080 is already posted. Okay. So this is how you create recurring documents. Okay, next is accounting. Well, let's go to SPRO. Accounts receivable, accounts payable, vendor accounts, master data, preparations, account groups, new entries, ONA, save. Okay. We go to purchasing data, purchase order currency. Okay. Price marking, units of measure, account with vendor, settlement profile. Okay. Additional purchase data, company code data, account management, reconciliation account required entry, sort key required entry, required entry, withholding tax code, interest calculation, personal number, release group, gross income tax, CIE code, save, purchasing data, purchase order currency, terms of payment, input terms, minimum order value, good receipt, invoice-based verification. Automated generate, okay, vendor schema group, okay, mode of transport, office of exit, plant delivery time, price marking, rank robbing, PO entry vendor, price having free goods, okay. Unit of measure group, service level, count with vendor, settlement profile. Okay, we have done this. Now we go for number ranges to vendor accounts. Internal. Okay, 304 NT. $704Z1, 60,000. Okay. V1, 1991029. LOMM, LOMM, LONMM, LOMBN, LOMM, LOMM, Z1, Z1, LOMMM, and Z1. Let's see. Assign number range. LO. Save. Okay. Now cross application. Now because SAP makes vendors out of finance and MM from cross application. That is the reason we make it from here. SAP business partner. It is called business partner. Be it customer, employee, vendor, anyone. Business partner. Basic setting. Number range and grouping. Define number range, BU business partner. So we have to match this. LO 5050299. Pune. Pune grouping. Pune central vendor grouping. Number range LO. Enter. Save. Okay, this is done. Data was saved. Next is master data synchronization, which is FI and this cross-application component integration. Customer vendor integration. Business partner setting. Vendor integration. Okay, group. Group Pune and Pune. Same numbers, same number range. Save, save. Now we can go to BP. Organization. No internal standard group. Okay, we'll do this in the next class.